Well, hello everybody.
Brandon here with the Desert Rat. Got another Jeep up for sale. This one is a 1995 Jeep Wrangler. It's a YJ.
Four-wheel drive.
Has 31-inch tires, 1-inch body lift, a 3-inch suspension lift.
So it does lift a little bit.
You could, the way the body armor set, you could probably fit a 33 in there. It's geared at 410. So I'm just gonna give you guys a walk around here and let you see what I did to it. When I first got this, it had about 145,000 miles on it. I've driven it for 6. Had a really rough idle when I got it. It's a 4-cylinder, a straightforward 2.5 liter. Needed a lot of work. I replaced all the tune-up stuff, spark plugs, wires, all that kind of stuff just to get it going again. Still had issues. Ended up having to replace a whole bunch of sensors too. The thing would idle at like 1500. Definitely had plenty of vacuum leaks. Had to replace all the vacuum lines. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Replaced all the bushings and the suspension when I did all of the body armor too, just to get it to
really ride good.
But it drives down the straight nice and smooth. No wobbles, no shimmies, no nothing. It's very nice. Anyways, let's get at it here. I'll kind of give you guys the walk around here. On the front end here, you can see I have the nice, robust bumper here. The entire body kit is by EAG, E-Auto Grills. ViciousOffroad.com is where I buy all my body armor stuff. They're a great shop. Shout out to them for just supplying such a great kit for this Jeep. Got the flat fender here with all the cutoffs. Have a little air vent here. See right there? This is tube steel right here. Underneath is cut out nice. You fit it in there. Frame is straight. Everything's good on the frame. You got the rock slider with step here, so that goes down under. This back part right here, from here all the way back to here.
Plate.
Steel, like thick sheet steel. Probably 3/16 of an inch thick. Nice and tough. And then this is a bolt-on fender flare. It's just tube steel. So you got your tube steel on the front, tube steel on your rocker, tube steel on your back fender here. Brings us back to the bumper. Now, anyone that has a YJ or any Jeep where they attach the wheel to the back tailgate, it's pretty necessary to get one of these
Swing out tire carriers.
Right? Reason why, see this little tear in the steel there? That just gets worse and worse every single time you hit a bump and your tire's just hanging where these bolt holes are. It just bounces and it bangs and bangs and bangs. And eventually, you get more tearing right there. So in order to fix that, you weld in brackets or you tack weld and fill. Or you just switch out to a carrier like this and it's not going to have any more issues. So it swings out just fine. There you can see I have a custom built subwoofer box. There's a 10-inch subwoofer in there, a Pioneer, ported right there. But just so you can have some bass when you're listening to your music. The bumper's nice and robust. Got the tailgate, got your hooks for your pulling. Had to relocate, the little license plate frame. It does usually go over the fill tank or the fill hole right there, but I had to relocate it for the bumper. It just wouldn't work since you have this thing for the tire carrier. But this thing swings back, connects into there. You press it down. Again, all E-Auto grill body armor. And then you just follow back around to the front, and it's the exact same setup. Everything is good. For the winch, we've got the Badland's 12,000. It's the Apex. I have no issues with it. I've used it over and over and over again. It has a synthetic rope, all sorts of stuff. I have the remote for it and everything. If you look down in there, got your hella horns, your duo tones. So, pretty cool. Let's open up the engine bay for you. Alright, so here's the 4-cylinder and all of its glory. Oh my goodness. Alright, so there it is. The guy that had it before me did a valve job. That's why you can see it's orange. The head's orange. The rest of it's the original, just regular block. So,
It does come with the original jack, which is pretty cool because that is becoming a relic. The early 90s jack just doesn't come around as much.
right, look at the size of the fast wrap. My goodness gracious. You can fit in a straight 6 or really whatever engine you want to into this thing. It'll be just fine. Throttle body, intake manifold, it is fuel injected. And again, I've gone through this thing over and over and over. Right now, you start it up, it runs about 1500, settles to 1100, settles to 700. It'll idle at 700 as long as you let it sit there. Pretty darn cool little setup. So let's get that hood down. Alright, now look at some of the interior here. So nothing too great on the interior, alright? I just looked at the way the previous owner did. It has this little exterior carpet. Underneath the carpet, it's just like those interlocking gym mats. So I just left it alone because it fit well enough. Drove around for about 2 years with it in there. That's just fine. But the dash here is actually in pretty darn good condition. I replaced all of the lights in there that I wanted to have, working with LEDs, orange LEDs. There's your range selector right there. There's your shifter. It does have the vacuum delete. So you can, take it in and out of 4-wheel drive and then lock in your front axle with that thing right there. Alright? For the rear, I do have a fold and tumble seat. So if I unhook the seat belts right there, it would fold forward and then set up, this way. Then you'd have all that space there. I do have the amplifier underneath the seat here, and of course the subwoofer there. For locking compartment, we have the Tuffy security. So it has this little thing. Had to fix that. It's fully functional now, works just fine. I keep all of my recovery equipment in there. As far as the CD player, it does come with the JVC CD player. It has Bluetooth and a USB connect as well. So I've never started up the AC. As you can probably tell me in the compartment, the AC compressor, all that's not there. Didn't even try to do a blower to get some heat in the wintertime. I just left it be. So your decks, they're a little beat up just because, it's a Wrangler. You have a full-size spare. It's pretty much just a roller, but it does come with a full-size spare.
Oh, the rear tail lights here, they're LED. I threw them on there. They work great.
There's a view from this side into the rear. I got the high-vis seatbelts back here, just so that, you know, you can tell that your people are wearing them if you're riding in the back. I usually put my kids back there. I make sure they wear them.
There's this door. There's all your blower stuff down there. I just never really messed with it. I don't like dealing with electronics very much. Here's something that's cool about it though. Look at this.
The original Jeep manual. 1995 year Jeep manual. How about that? Pretty darn cool. So this vehicle is registered to me. Title is 100% clean. It's ready to go. Pass the smog every single year like it should. Axles, let's have a look at those. Here's your axle setup. 15 to 30 on the front. Geared at 410. 15 to 35 in the back. Also, of course, at 410. But because of all the body armor, they did weigh the back down. So that's a helper spring right there, you can see.
Just to help level the back here, because it was drooping. All the body armor on there weighs a lot, so I had to level it out. But no leaks on anything.
Problems you'll have with Jeeps like this, just the axle seals as you take off-road and driving it around. Axle seals go bad. You drop a little shimmy and it starts leaking.
But there it is. Anyways, 1995 Jeep Wrangler. For sale, it's a 4x4. If you want it, leave a comment, or I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Have a great summer. It's coming up quick.